Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ. Wow, beautiful color combination. That black and white really works. The wheels on it with the little bit of chrome around them, around the black, with the black against the white, and then the black other bits around it. Beautiful, like the black spoiler and the black down on the bottom of the bumper and the black around the tail lights, which are white instead of red, which really looks cool. Of course, they're red when you hit the brakes. And then underneath here, we've got the roof. And underneath the roof, you can see that it's alcantara lined. Underneath here, lots of storage room. And then, of course, the roof locks into place right there, and those little clips so that now it won't lift out. And then it's got a cargo cover to cover it so that you don't even know it's there. Beautiful. Beautiful car. Big, huge quadruport exhaust with the performance exhaust system because it's the Z06, the wide body, so you see the big flare out of the fender with those monstrous tires on it. And there they are. Those are the Michelin Super Sport tires. Beautiful. Absolutely fabulous with the yellow painted calipers. The brakes are in outstanding condition. Have a look inside the interior, baseball stitched. These are the competition GT seats. So a little bit of carbon fiber around them, competition GT. Beautiful. There's your alcantara on the visor vanity mirrors, as well as the A-frames down the side here. Let me just climb in and show you that. This A-frame is all alcantara. And then in here we have all of the books so you can read all about it right there. Beautiful car. Fabulous condition. Look inside the door frames. Bose sound system, big speakers. Awesome. We have the roof off of this, which looks great. It's got deep tinted glass on it as well. But the roof being off is awesome because this was the first year for Z06 to have a removable roof or available in convertible. These brake breathers right there are functional, so that helps the brakes to breathe through there. And there's your front wheel again, no curb rash, no issues, nice tires, painted calipers. Under the hood, the LT4 engine. This one is 650 horsepower and 650 foot-pounds of torque on this supercharged engine. Unbelievable factory production, just fabulous. You can see the hood mats in great shape, looking awesome. On the front bumper has been 3M covered, so it's got a wrap of 3M clear all over it to protect it from stone chips. The front bumper got touched just a little bit down there. No big deal, but you can see a little bit of touch mark there. Here's your left front wheel, no issues, no curb rash, beautiful tires, great looking brakes, and the rear wheel, same thing, just awesome. On the driver's door here we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, as well as the memory seat, 3-position memory, and of course I said power mirrors, which are over here, along with the heads-up display. Nice little carbon fiber dash there, which looks awesome. And down here you've got the multifunctional power seat, which has lumbar and side bolster adjustments as well. Look at the steering wheel, gorgeous, beautiful look, eh? Flat bottom. So let's climb in and fire this one up. Whoa, that is some power. So we're just going to light up here, 12,630 kilometers. Corvette logo here, and then the nav will come on in a second. I'll just show you that the screen goes up and down so that you can put your phone in there and plug it in to the USB that is inside there. The nav has the map. This car is equipped with PDR. It's also equipped with a backup camera, so that you'll see that there. And auto dimming mirrors, heated and cooled seats right there. Magnetic select ride, of course. The adjustable exhaust system, so the dual mode exhaust. So I'll just see if I can turn that down a bit to make it a little quieter. Yeah, there. So that's pretty quiet. And then we turn it back up and it gives us the rumble. So I'm turning it to track right there. And that gives you quite a crack. That's awesome. So 7-speed transmission. In here is your cup holder. In here is your power outlet. And then in here you have your USB and line in right there. frameless mirror with OnStar. These are dual visor vanity mirrors right there, and the nice leather wrapped sports steering wheel. So very awesome. What a car. So good looking car there. Let's go up to the front and see it with the headlights on. Sweet looking ride right there. And listen to that chug. Oh my gosh, that's addictive. You see the taillights light up red now, the LED lights. And you see down that body line, you can see the fender flares, how much they flare out. That's beautiful. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2015 Chevy Corvette Z06 with the 3LZ package, the competition GT seats, super looking wheels on it, yellow painted calipers. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.